Yema Obibia Akwaba. Aha. GH Live Studio. GH Live Studio. Oba na wa subscribe to the channel. Subscribe via na wa like it. Wa like ya na wa share ama obi enso enye video ni bi enso ahwe. Yedemo eko atako jache ha. Ana crowd be come asante kodoko eyo training na. And what happened this year? Ewa atako jache training. Ana yete pero meeting edi Nanaba Kwame Creations ha. Eye GH Live Studio na. And ye call crowd be come asante kodoko training no. Players ni be are returned from injury. Yet more update at the Apple players' performance, the philosophy, the ideas, any enema ekoso ewo training grounds kotoko team no air prepare ahead of Basiki Holy Stars gamer so on Sunday ewo Baba Nyara Sports Stadium. Na ene yako training grounds no coach Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum na honom ene the technical team ni na omonso ewo around na omo ehwe na bibia enso ayakama yehu Malik Jabel se ononso ewo ho a ono enso monitor no wo hwe sende be ya krobie kumase asante kodoko team no ebenya omontuma pa enso efra ene after training no owiye oni abrantia nidin enso ede Justice Blay edidi nkomo pi enso ewo training grounds na nkomo didi ni mu no na nkomo no anu odi because omo na kachiri ni nyina eye komefa so a omo behwe na omo etimi awini game no enso ewo hono nti na omo ye training no ewiye no ana mu se Malik Jabel enso any players ni nyina enso ahia technical team ne kan media team ne kan no omo nyina enso ewo ma omo edi nkomo se de be ya mbehwe na kotoko enso afa ne ntuma pa enso efra ewo hono na ende yebewura players no aside but before no yewura coach Prosper Nate Ogum akachi ni emfa nkomo kakra emfiri ho emfamra na ewo coach Prosper Nate Ogum aside no enie and na the body language very good on a players no a relationship or conversation or communication or direct players no or corner of us or direct or money players need diagro kasasre ema omo etini o yana say if say coach chere o ma di na someone ti asia onya botre chere players no because now no madi kan dia to them say the team different style game bia any the game planner omo edi ewrem ashasi start a league no na kotoko enyamo balls na omo edi pushi edi wura 18 year balls ni mu before say be shooting be beba so but now no it has changed kotoko is shooting from the back especially the midfielders no Andrews in team menu Abrantia nidin and so edi Baba Yaya any other players are omo akana omo shooting from the back so that idea that knowledge that new approach coach ede chere mano onya botre chrom selbe ya omo ebeti ase Abrantia ndini ede Isaac Minta Samson Duku omo nyina practice the coach Ogum and so chere omo our training grounds no na ene me who all the 4 goalkeepers say omo ewo training grounds they are preparing towards your friend and saying Yankopon Yadoma Sunday game and we will say na goalkeeper Mohammed Kamara your foot training or participating or all the training session because I was hoping say because no suspension into them there was a lot of instructions and aqua assess omo rest so they need to rest and so honma and na the training course no na players no and so enyina kan boma ɔmo ɛyɛ training kamakama nso ɛwɔ hɔ na ɛnɛ players a ɔmo ɛntumi anyɛ full training ɛwɔ training grounds. Aberanteɛ a ne din ɛde Wisdom Basi Fernando Agabuache, no training, no full training. Joseph Ablo and Oba training grounds, but no training, no full training. Aberanteɛ a ne din ɛde Peter Amidu Akwa nso ɛwɔ training grounds a na ɔno nso ɛntumi anyɛ full training session. Ɛna Akwasi Asante was also there. Ɔno nso ɛntumi anyɛ full training session. Nso ɛwɔ Krobie Kumasi Asante Kotoko training grounds. But the other players on Canada, they have started training. And then Adran Ajete, defender at the Macrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko, he did full training. And then Musa now shootings after the training, the full training. No, I saw him shooting. And then shootings. And so our training grounds. Abranta Nedin and so at the Elvis Chiba for non so shootings plus Kwame Puku. Now also shooting. Omunyina epe the idea na coach Ogum and so at the mauna about players no more fitness level na they are fit now. Once that players may be all suspension and they are back. Michael Che Dramana is back. Justice Blay back, and Justice Blay, there is no injury. Hard brandy Blay. He's fit. He's fit. So young point had my Sunday game no or Bebupi at the Amakrobia Kumasi Asante Kotokona Brantia the Dean Eddie Adran Ajiti and the training no na it was through. Na it was through and I see him say or you're fit and or you're ready for gamer and also Ebekoso. Andrews in team men and na young when ye. I don't know if say na injury be and so appear and when I found there, but he wasn't other fit today. And so our training grounds. So what is happening or what happened? Our training grounds na the air brown. The see our training grounds and I'm a day bro. And the man who in team men say or you're fully okay. I don't know what is happening to him. As I say. But I man when they say or you're okay, but or you're training kakra about training grounds and so every year Jumano. Come on, Eddie Emma Krobia Kumasi Asante. Kotoko be a player be woman or Sheno. Emmanuel Entry was there, but Entry no just fans be a kafana one was because metie supporters number training grounds no so kakra. Na me so me so ideas ni be about one thing. Omo hwehwe say Emmanuel Entry dia ho de foforo bi ebe kind of play the style of play no. The way Obone ball no, it seems like the fans, the supporters are not happy about it. So if say Emmanuel Entry every channel no, na OTA na on page and modern mono, especially and what and so side no. Minimum some more train Albert Amwa. And Albert Amwa training. He made full training session. Or he did. And or full training. Edima Kotoko. The fitness level is up. The fitness level no ekosoro. Emwa pija. Ana two. Since I want the speed abe kind of football no. And it was no kumrika because we prior no wa kumrika sa so ene we say no kumrika. No kumrika. Now the speed number of abosoro. See, on also the side, no, but no, on number one, who say he's feeling pains anymore. Emmanuel Corte astate na no gym works. Our training grounds. Emmanuel Corte dear. And on the Emmanuel Corte side in there. ɔnyɛ fully fit, but ogu so a ɔyɛ gym work no. So rehab no astarti nso ɛwɔ hɔ a ɔno ɛyɛ ho adwuma. Samuel Tenedu ɛyɛ training, Patrick Asiedu nso ɛyɛ training ɛwɔ Kotoko training grounds, Isaac Minta, Baba Yaya, Justice Blay, Henry Kwame Ansu, Michael Sifa, Samba Onel ɛne goalkeepers a wɔaka four no nyinaa nso ɛyɛ training ɛnɛ ɛde ɛma Korɔbea Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So wɔn prepare ahead of wɔn ɛne Basiki Holy Stars game a ɛno nso ɛbɛba so over the weekend. Nyankopɔn yɛ adom a Sunday ɛno ana happy hour na GFA, Ghana Football Association nso ɛde bɛto dwa no sɛ sisi ano Nyankopɔn yɛ adom a Sunday from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock Ogura Baba Yara Sports Stadium, the red stands na ura free untua bibia na onso, but from 1 o'clock ɛde kɔ to ɛde room ne deɛ you pay something, and so ɛwɔ hɔ noma bibia bɛyɛ. I know also register to Fabu Census no now they are Korɔbea Kumasi Asante Kotoko na bibia nso ayɛ kama. Ha ɛyɛ GH Live Studio. Bidin de Nana Kwame Gracious. Obe subscribe to the channel so you subscribe ya. Aha ana yɛde more details and more ɛdefa Korɔbea Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ghana football and anything concerning your football a ɛwɔ ɔman mu ha sei no yɛde ne nyinaa nso ɛde brɛ ɛwɔ ase. Mankizito nso ɛwɔ hɔ a ɔhyɛ wankɔ na ɔmonitor nneɛma sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ nneɛma nso bitumi asi afa akɔyie ɛde ama channel yi. Wodi ano sɛ obe subscribe, obe share na onua nso onye bi ahwɛ, obe comment fa wɔn nsɛm bisa ɛfa to comment box wɔ wadwenkyerɛ fa to hɔnom owia yɛbɛyi ano ɛde ama wo na wɔn nso adwenkyerɛ no nso aboa ama ɔmo a ɔmo nso ɛhwɛ no nso atumi have fun ɛwɔ this channel na ɔmo nso anya nteaseɛ ɛwɔ nneɛma bi nso ɛwɔ nso okuro toko. Still Ghana Premier League no go so they are second on the table. Nti sa ana nneɛma nso esitie. So what happened today ɛwɔ Atako Jaji anam de ato ne Nyankopɔn yɛ adom kyena training ɛbɛkɔ so anɔpa, last training session ɛbɛkɔ so na Nyankopɔn yɛ adom Sunday game no nso akɔ so ɛwɔ Baba Nyara Sports Stadium. Meda ase so nya brɛ na abribia wohwɛ good content of GH Live Studio. Nyankopɔn nhyira na wakoma so ade nyinaa nso mfama yɛn nyinaa yɛ mmoa na yɛn support Korɔbea Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Sɛ yɛn nsuo mpo ana ɔde support ya ɔde kana waseɛ me number bɛma wo na sɛ bibi wɔ hɔ bɛsɛnde wasɛnde ato aseɛ na yɛde akɔbɔ a bobu kwa ne din ɛde Korɔbea Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Meda ase sɛ wɔtie yɛn ɛwɔ asopɛm.